When it comes to sending money to and from your friends, Venmo is the easiest way. Backed by PayPal, Venmo syncs with both your contacts list and your Facebook friends to make it easy to pay for dinner, split bills, or donate cash without a second thought. Unlike most other payment apps, Venmo also works like its own version of a social network, complete with status posts and, of course, privacy settings. Knowing how to manage your privacy settings in Venmo is an absolute must, since you'll need to make sure your feeds aren't being shown to people you can't trust. Whether you're looking to change your privacy on a payment you already made, or you want to change your privacy moving forward, you've come to the right guide. Here's how to do it. If you already posted a payment, changing the privacy settings is as easy as finding the payment you want to change. Open the full payment in your app, then tap on the blue icon underneath the date, which should show public, friends, or private. Here, you can change the privacy to any of the three options we just listed. You'll also notice that you can view what your privacy default is right here. Make your choice, and you'll be good to go. Okay, but what if you want to change the privacy settings for all your posts going forward? Tap on the menu icon, then select Settings and look for Privacy underneath Preferences. You can change your default privacy setting here, with public visible to anyone online and friends visible to your entire friends list, along with the recipient. You can also use this menu to change your entire past transaction privacy settings, either to friends or to private. There's no way to make each payment public at once, but generally, keeping your payment set on friends or private is the way to go. If you liked this guide, make sure you subscribe for all sorts of videos covering Venmo and other technology. And do not forget to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.